firm. May footwork na yan, ha? Okay, adjust kayo hanggang dito lang. Tuntok nyo, anak ha, ayaw ko nang naka-eskwala. Okay? Tama ang balikat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, back ha, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, back to the center again. One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yan ang naman ito na. Okay, ready, fighting form. Descending elbow. Okay. Okay, 1 count ha. Alam niyo na yan. 1, 2. Balik position. Okay, ang elbow niyan, itong tatama ha. Hindi ito ha. Down. Ito. Ready. Fighting form. 1. Position. 1. Position. Nagawa na natin lagi yan. Isang katawan. Okay, angat nyo lang yung siko nyo, sabay pasok ng elbow. Ready? 2. Balik position. O, balik position. Walang steady. Balik position. Tsaka ka lang gaganon, tag. Bilang na. Ready? Diretso na, 1 count. Ready? 1. Pira. 2. Balik posisyon. 3, 4, 5. Kabila, ready. 1, 2, 3. Balik posisyon, balik posisyon, huwag mong steady. 4, 5. Okay. Big kick. Okay, descending elbow. Down elbow. Okay, normal stand. Okay, snuggle stand. Move. Oh. Angat, angat ng isang kamay. Angat. Kapag isang kamay sa harap. O, pag elbow. Angat agad ha. Tiklop. Pagdating sa baba. Ready? 1. Angat agad. Tuwid mo yung mo. Tuwid. 2. Tiklop. 3. 4. Tingin sa target. 5.